Hi, this is Alex and welcome to the first episode of CEC Tips and Tricks. In this series, we'll be answering some of the common questions posted to us by our customers and sharing with you how we address these issues here in CEC. This week, we have a question from the Philippines asking, how do you create imposition presets in Fiery Impose to save time when printing common jobs? We get this question quite often, so let's head over to Fiery Impose to answer this question. We can see that there are three main panels in Fiery Impose. The page view shows all the pages in the print file, and we can insert blank pages or other PDF files. The sheet view gives us an overview of what will be printed on the individual sheets. And finally, we have the settings panel, which is where we will select our imposition settings. In this panel, we have settings for compose, booklet, or gang up, which we will be selecting based on the kind of job that we'll be printing. We'll be using a business card in today's example, so for this, we'll select gang up and select repeat as we'll be repeating the same file multiple times. We select the sheet size as well as the duplex settings. The layout orientation allows us to select whether we want the sheet to be in portrait or landscape to let us maximize the number of cards we can fit onto a sheet. If bleeding is required, you can set it here. Next, we define marks to set up the cut area. We select print trim marks and we can customize the settings for the trim marks. The offset determines the gap between the marks and the print job. One quick tip, do not set it at 0 as any errors in cutting would result in the print marks showing up in your final product. Finally, if this is a job that you'll be printing often, we recommend saving it as a template so that the next time you're going to print a similar job, you can save time by selecting this template and imposition will be done automatically. Today we did name cards, but you can do the same with labels or booklets. If you would like to see various imposition options for booklet printing, leave a comment and let us know so that we can feature it in a future episode. That's all for today. Remember to subscribe and I'll see you next time.